Feeling a bit overwhelmed in this fast-paced world of AI? Don't worry, you're not alone. We're living in the age of AI, and things are moving at lightning speed. The skills you had yesterday might not cut it tomorrow, but the good news is, you don't need to be a tech expert to harness the power of AI. Today, we're going to explore the top 10 AI skills that can supercharge your career, personal growth, and even your social media presence. Are you excited? Let's dive right in. First up, we've got workflow automation. Automation isn't a new concept. We've been automating tasks since the wheel was invented. Whether you work in healthcare, logistics, food services, or almost any field, AI doesn't just knock on your door, it kicks it wide open. It's not just about automation. It's about smart automation. It's not just about software that sorts your emails. It's like having an intelligent assistant that reads, categorizes, replies, and prioritizes your emails, leaving you with the most important tasks. Why spend hours on repetitive work when AI can handle it in a snap? Plus, it's not prone to human errors. Prompt engineering and speed learning. Now, let's dive into number 2, prompt engineering. You don't have to be a tech genius for this one. It's for anyone who wants to master their own AI system. So, why is prompt engineering such a game changer? Think about when you ask someone a vague question, and you get an answer that's not quite what you were hoping for. Well, the same can happen with AI if you don't ask the right way. But once you've got the knack for prompt engineering, you're essentially speaking the AI's language. Next up, we've got speed learning with the help of AI. Imagine learning at warp speed. That's speed learning. We're not talking about skimming through tons of articles or watching videos at double speed. No, we're delving into something even more powerful, speed learning using AI. Here's the deal. The world is evolving rapidly, and if you're learning at the same pace today as you were 5 years ago, you're already behind. The good news is that some people are leveraging AI to learn a whopping 10 times faster, propelling them way ahead of the curve. AI algorithms are like your trusty, super efficient librarians. They carefully curate and recommend the information you need right now, not sometime in the future. Handling data visualization. Now on to number 4, data visualization. You might think data sounds dull, but trust me, data visualization is the best. It takes what you thought you knew and turns it on its head, leaving you pleasantly surprised. Why is this a big deal? In a world flooded with data, those who can make sense of it aren't just ahead, they're light years ahead. Imagine being in a meeting where someone drones on, reading numbers from a spreadsheet. Boring, right? But what if someone else striding in, firing up a presentation, and whoosh, interactive charts and graphs appear, telling a compelling story? Who are you going to remember? The latter, without a doubt. The rationale is simple yet profound. Our brains process visual information much faster than text. When you present data visually, it's like you're speaking directly to the brain's processing center. And let's be honest, it's far more engaging. Whether you're in marketing, sales, healthcare, or education, visualizing data can transform your message from a whisper to a thunderous roar. Next, we've got AI content creation and programming. Have you ever wondered how some people effortlessly transform their personal or business brands into gold mines? They produce killer blog posts, sport eye-catching logos, and maintain social media feeds that resemble digital art galleries. Well, here's the scoop. They're harnessing the power of AI, and it's catapulting their brands to success at 10 times the speed. So why is this skill crucial? Let's break it down. We're living in an era of content overload. To stand out, you need to consistently create top-notch content. The hitch? There are only 24 hours in a day. Even if you're a creative dynamo, you've got your limitations. But AI shatters those boundaries. Also, you might think that programming is an intimidating mountain to climb. But it's not. You don't have to be a coding expert to grasp the fundamentals. But why bother, you ask? Basic programming is like the 21st century literacy. It's not exclusive to software developers. It's for anyone keen on understanding the inner workings of the digital realm. Whether you're in marketing, healthcare, or even farming, a dash of programming know-how can set you apart from the crowd. Let's say you're working in HR and you're buried under a mountain of resumes. With a simple script, you could automate the sorting process, spotlighting the most qualified candidates. In just a few minutes, you'd transform from overwhelmed to overjoyed. We've also got machine learning algorithms. You don't have to be a tech guru with a PhD in technology or data science to grasp the basics of this. Machine learning algorithms are essentially sets of rules that AI systems follow to make decisions. Understanding how these algorithms work can provide you with remarkable insights into why AI makes the choices it does. It's a bit like learning the rules of chess. Suddenly, you comprehend why that knight moves in that distinctive L shape. You could be in sales and use a recommendation engine to boost products. Having a grip on the fundamentals of these algorithms can be your secret weapon. It can guide you on how to better position your products or manipulate the input data to ensure the system recommends what you desire. Natural language processing and data analysis. In straightforward terms, NLP is how machines decode human language. Think about ChatGPT, Google BERT, or any other chatbot or virtual assistant. Why is this so valuable, you ask? Well, every interaction you have with these technologies is like a mini NLP lesson. The better you understand it, the more effectively you can communicate with AI to get the outcomes you desire. You're not just using technology, you're making it work better for you. Don't be put off by how technical data analysis sounds either. This is something that affects various aspects of life, from health to shopping habits. The golden ticket here is understanding AI-based data analysis, and it can supercharge your decision-making, no matter your field. With the help of AI tools, you can dig into the customer behavior of your small business. This isn't just about numbers, it's so many insights that can help you fine-tune your business strategy for maximum impact. Social media algorithms. Let's wrap it up with the most relevant skill: social media algorithms. Ever wondered why some social media posts gather thousands of likes while others barely get noticed? Well, that's the handiwork of social media algorithms. If you've ever been perplexed about why your content isn't reaching your desired audience, understanding the mechanics of these algorithms can be a game changer. Whether you're a content creator aiming to boost engagement, or a marketer striving to amplify brand visibility, having a grasp of how platforms like YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram operate can give you a significant advantage. For instance, if you comprehend that an algorithm favors interaction, you might concentrate on crafting interactive polls or prompting discussions instead of simply sharing static images. It's not just about playing the game, it's about strategizing to conquer it. As you've seen, you don't need a tech background to navigate these concepts. Whether you're in healthcare, marketing, sales, or any other field, AI is a game changer. These skills are your toolkit to lead, not follow. So go ahead, dive into automation, master prompt engineering, and unlock the potential of AI content creation. Learn the programming, unravel the mysteries of machine learning, and harness the power of natural language processing. If you've made it to this point, you've already taken the first step towards a brighter, AI-driven future.